Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagaman. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. A man future hang in the balance. Nyao take the decision of Colonia Mabaso to take a new position on the job. He thinks that now there will be a new selection of a new captain on Guamashu police station. He do a wrong things by stealing the evidence on the police station that put an unknown man, in safe position. And now take risk on his job. A young man takes a physiotic decision that threatens him his life. He decides to stay away from Pastor Kuala and live on the street. A father loses his son all over again after Nkonzi revealed that Pastor Kuala support the child that does not belongs to him. And it seems like Pastor Kuala is disappointed in front of his son. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.